there is a secret way to get that bag off. I'm just going to take this, right? Make a loop. So like pinch that together, making a loop. That's it. Yeah.
Like that?
Yeah, that's perfect. It's a great loop. Now,
thank you.
That is actually the key to the handcuffs. No. Feed it through the handcuffs.
Right,
that's it. That's it. Yeah. Now, cool. Put your hand through the loop. Right, stop. You have now already escaped.
Well, I clearly haven't.
No, you have. Because if you let this yeah, that's it. Pull it through.
This is so stupid.
No, it's not stupid.
Okay, now can you undo these, please?
Absolutely not.
Neil, so